Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another card making tutorial. Today I'm creating a fun card that I'm aiming for a guy, so it would be a masculine card, or for a teenager. I'm using a scrap of watercolor paper, and I'd like to show you the size of the paper that comes in the package. Sometimes you don't use the whole thing on a card project, and then you have certain sizes left over. Those sizes are great to be able to create panels that you can use with your Thinlits dies and do a colored die cut. That's what I will be featuring on this project today. To create that, I'm going to do a watercolor wash on this piece of paper. First, wet the watercolor paper with water from your aqua painter. Then pick up stamp pad ink from the lid of the stamp pad and just squeeze the barrel as you add in some of the colors. It doesn't have to be a perfect, smooth transition piece of paper. As you can see, this paper has lines and runs and washes in it, but it looks natural. It looks like maybe some color just came and landed on the paper, and that's okay. As you can see, once the bottle is die cut, it looks cool. I chose the colors to be able to feature with the Bubble and Fizz Designer Series paper and a strip of Wood Textures Designer Series paper. I'm aiming this at like guy teenager age because that seems to be one of the most requested type of cards that I get. So you can change the colors of this project to make it a bit more feminine, switch out a paper or two, and it can be a great design to feature for anybody different. Just cater your choices based on what type of card you'd like to create. This is a wonderful stamp set for all occasions. Today I'm going to make it a birthday card. So once I place this strip of wood paper, then I'll make sure I have a landing area for this little soda bottle. And as you can see, the coloring is not solid on it, but that's quite all right. The sentiment is stamped on with a natural crumb cake colored ink, and I'm going to place the sentiment directly onto the bottle. It can be moved around to a couple of different area choices. Off camera, I die cut with vellum paper the image of the bubbles, and it comes in maybe 3 different sizes. So what I'm going to do is make these look like shiny, sparkly bubbles. When vellum is adhered to a project with glue or glue dots or any kind of glue, the adhesive shows through. So I'm going to use that to my benefit this time on this project, and let it be okay that the bubble, that the vellum doesn't have a solid surface. A bubble, as my boys can attest, it has a rainbow of colors and texture. So what I've done is used any kinds of adhesive and then add the clear Wink of Stella right over that vellum, and then some Stella splatters, and it's going to be just a cool, interesting card. It doesn't have to be perfect. It is a handmade gift. The inside of the card is got the same look of bubbles in that same green lemon lime twist color, and it's adhered to the inside with a few dots of liquid glue. Bubble Over stamp set is available today in my online store, but it's only going to be around until May 31st. Visit my online store by clicking the link down in the video description. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time.
Hi, My name's Trip. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.